Lots of people I'm coaching say to me, Steve, I want to have more gravitas when I'm presenting, when I'm in front of an audience. And I always say to them, great, we can work on that, but what do you mean by gravitas? It's one of those things that's actually quite hard to define, and the phrase I hear a lot is people saying, well, you know it when you see it. And yeah, I tend to agree. You also know it when you don't see it, i.e. when somebody is lacking in gravitas. In fact, I looked at the dictionary definition, I've written it down. Gravitas, according to the dictionary, is a seriousness of conduct, temperament or speech, solemnity or majesty, who doesn't want to be magisterial, authority, influence or importance. Now I actually think that is a little bit too serious. I don't think you do have to be full of seriousness or importance or authority to have gravitas. In fact, some people can use a really light, humorous style and still have extraordinary gravitas. For me, gravitas is about people wanting to take you seriously. People want to listen to what you've got to say. There's a certain amount of engagement in this, but it's about your manner. And I think gravitas comes from your manner and the way you deliver, rather than the content you deliver. Yes, you can have content that will help add gravitas, but it's about the way you act on stage. So to me, gravitas is about being able to put across your content in a way that is serious but engaging, in a way that is easy to listen to and that makes people want to listen. If you've got gravitas, people will be hanging on your every word. Now, over the next few videos, I'm going to explore what I mean by gravitas and how you can bring it to your presentations. Again, people often say, is it something you are born with? Is it something you have naturally? And yes, some people do have it naturally. There's no two ways about it. But that doesn't mean to say that the rest of us can't develop it. So, if you want to find out how to bring more gravitas to your presentations, like this video, subscribe to make sure you see what's coming next.